Welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to see new topic Binomial Nomenclature. First of all, what is Binomial Nomenclature? Binomial Nomenclature is the method of providing an organism a specific identity as two names as genus and species. These are names generally adopted from the Latin language. History of Binomial Nomenclature. The Binomial Nomenclature was Capsbergen. It was first used or made popular by Swedish botanical taxonomist Carl Linnaeus in the year of 1700. He published scientific names of almost 6,000 or more plants and 4,000 or more animals. Formulation of Binomial Nomenclature. These names are based on different codes made by different committees such as International Code for Botanical Nomenclature for Plants, International Code for Zoological Nomenclature for Animals, International Code for Nomenclature of Bacteria, International Code for Virus Classification Nomenclature, International Code for Nomenclature of Cultivable Plants and others. Features and rules of Binomial Nomenclature. Organisms are assigned with a name containing two words. The first word or generic name is based on the genus of the organism. The second word or specific epithet is based on the species of the organism. The genus can be similar, containing different species of organism. Species are unique and every organism will have a different species name. The name should contain two words. The name should be derived or adapted from the Latin language. A space is kept between two names. The name should be in an italic form in print or soft copy. Example, Homo sapiens. The name should be underlined separately in case of handwritten notes. If the first name given to any organism follows all the rules of binomial nomenclature, then it is considered a valid name and the priority name even if other names are given later. Examples for binomial nomenclature. Dog, Canis familiaris. Rice, Oryza sativa. E. coli, Salmonella typhi. Are you enjoying this video? I like to ask some questions. Please comment below. What is the scientific name of humans? Which language is used in scientific names? Any questions about this video? Please comment below. Please subscribe and like the video. Thank you.